Ah. Ah. What is it? Read this note, you'll find out. I know, that's what I just want to do. The pigs stole our eggs again. That's what they do like every game. Well, what do we have to destroy now? Yeah, we can't destroy it. What the heck? It's a castle. Ah, we're all gonna die. We're not gonna die. And I think we can live without eggs. Wait, we can't. Let's just get the eggs from the castle. Okay then. Now you're a bozo. I can do this. I can do this orange bird outside without you. No, I like this. Okay then. I'm going to no. Here we are. We should go ask for help. Oh, they've made a castle now. Okay then, just go tell others. Okay then. Got Bluebird. I don't know why. I got a black. I'm back. What do you got, Green? What's the problem? Great. Oh, I'm still here. Good. Now there's my best friend here. Ice. Ice too? Wow, we're all ready. Each of our powers will help us on our adventure. Oh, let's go in. Hey, it's me. It's me. Ow. Whoa. Ooh, this is a tight fit. This really is. Well, this is a dead end. Guys. What's gonna happen? We're just stuck here. Maybe the eggs are here. We don't know what's happening. Oh. At the pig's castle. King. What is it? The angry birds are coming to the castle. Do you even sound that secret button? Yeah, they are one hard-working bird. All we have to do is to set up our minions. Our minions. All we have is pigs. Secret minions. You have secret minions? Yeah, you don't know about them. Secret, duh. Oh, nice one, sir. Sir. What is it now? The Angry Birds have defeated all the special minions. The special ones? Yes, the special minions. Well, let's bring out the bosses. The bosses? Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Well, the special bosses, one of the bosses was harder than one of the bosses. One of the special boss. One of the special minions were harder than when the boss and they defeated them. Well, send. I don't care. Send them till they're defeated. Okay, sir. Boss minion. Viva Luigi? Yes. Go find the Angry Birds and kill them. Okay then. Now, where was I? You're going to eat spaghetti, sir. Oh, yeah, right. Sir? Sir? Oh, yeah, I forgot my wallet. It's under you. Wait, what? Wallet. Back at the front of the castle. Oh, yeah, by the way, I'm actually a friend of the Angry Birds. I'm just lying that all the special minions are done. I guess I shouldn't lie. King. Yes? Let's revive the special minion. Oh, okay. Send them out. Sure. Back at the front of the castle. Ow. Man, that was a bumper. But at least we got to the front of the castle. Let's go defeat those minions. Go on, part 2. Continue in part 2. Hooray!